Does the government shutdown have you worried about your Social Security check? My name is Matt Barker with Clarity Wealth, and welcome to this week's Friday Fireside Chat. As we all know, it's been in the headlines a lot lately. Congress is working to pass a new federal budget, which means the government is currently shut down. We know this raises a lot of questions for you, and especially those of you collecting Social Security or maybe those that are on Medicare. We have answers to those questions. I'm going to detail a few of them here shortly. But as always, your checks are still going to show up. That's the main thing I want you to take away from this. It will not affect your payments. If you receive benefits, payments will continue without interruption. You'll receive your benefits on time with no changes to the payment dates that you have been accustomed to. You probably already realized this by the time you've seen this video, as the checks have, again, continued to show up. But what I want to detail as well is, what are some of the services still available to you online during this government shutdown? And I think it's important for you to know. We consistently encourage our clients to use the online services for Social Security and Medicare if you can, as it is a very good resource and tool for you. Some of the things you can still do online during this shutdown is request a replacement Social Security or Medicare card. You can apply for benefits. You can get access to benefit verification letters. You can check your application or appeal a status. You can access your cost of living or COLA adjustment notices. Print your 1099s. You can review your earnings history. You can even view your latest statement. You can change your address, or believe it or not, you can update or add a new direct deposit authorization. So a lot of the things that you would need to do as it relates to Social Security and Medicare, you can still do those online, and we encourage you to do that. Now, some of the local offices are still open. They're just understaffed, as you can imagine, and underserved. And so some of the services are not available in person right now. As always, we know that Social Security, Medicare, and all benefits that we receive are important to us. If you ever have a question or need some help determining what the best route is, please reach out. We'd be glad to help. Take good care.